Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the AutoLink keywords import and export feature in BetterLinks. Before we begin, make sure you have both BetterLinks Free and BetterLinks Pro installed and activated on your WordPress website. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the BetterLinks menu and then click on AutoLink Keywords. Let's add a new AutoLink keyword. In the keyword field, type the phrase you want to automatically link. For example, website development. Next, choose the destination URL you want this keyword to link. In this tutorial, we'll link it to a W3 Schools online web tutorials. You can also choose relevant post categories and tags. Next, you can choose whether the link opens in a new tab. Make sure the status is set to active so the keyword will actually work on your site. If you need more control, you can also open the advanced settings to fine-tune how the keyword is matched and set a limit for how many times it should be linked on a single page. When you're done configuring everything, click Publish. Your new AutoLink keyword has been created successfully. Next, let's see how to export your AutoLink keywords. From the AutoLink keywords screen, click on the Export button. BetterLinks will generate a file containing all your keyword settings. This is a great way to back up your configurations and reuse them. When you open the exported CSV file in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, you can view all your keyword rules in a structured format. Here, you can easily customize the sheet to add multiple new keywords and URLs in bulk, just as shown on the screen. Now let's import AutoLink keywords from a file. Go back to the AutoLink keyword section, then click on Import. Choose your customized CSV file. Once it processes, click Import File. After a few moments, you'll see a success message. Click Finish to close the window, and you will see all your new keywords available in the list. Finally, let's see how this looks on the front end. Open any post or page that contains the keyword phrases you configured. As you can see, BetterLinks has automatically turned those specific phrases into clickable links. That's how easily you can create, export, and import AutoLink keywords using BetterLinks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.